coincidences masyadong matingkad eh. And yun na nga, highly suspicious yung pati yung NBI hindi binibigyan ng mga dokumento nung police station and hindi naka-blatter. So pinangahawakan ko naman yung salita ni General De La Rosa na he will not tolerate yung mga ganito mga police. And nung last na hearing, we were impressed dun sa immediate action ni General De La Rosa. Ngayon kung hindi man na-actionan ito ng Tansa Police, I hope actionan ito ng higher headquarters, sir.
Senator, that's why I was saying, you were not here earlier, I said this could go to other things. Now it's drugs and policemen are being accused of killing people and we're trying to give them the benefit of the doubt. But if it goes to other things like political assassination, love triangle, that is the slippery slope that everybody is talking about. And it behooves, and I thank Senator Trillanes for bringing it here, it behooves everybody here to take action on this particular instance. And I know you'll take action, Senator General.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Dapat may file agad.
Automatically, di ba, dapat na subject sa ballistics examination yung firearms ng police? May result na ba yan? Hindi nga bibilis yung investigation kung hanggang ngayon wala pang result yung ballistics.
We will expedite everything, Your Honor, after this.
Let me make myself clear. We are not saying these people are the ones guilty right away, no? But the family is asking for an immediate investigation para may surcease. Tama si Senator Lacson. Dapat binalistics na kagad yan. Kinuha na kagad yung baril. In an IAS investigation, you will get the firearm and subject it to ballistics right away, di ba? To find out whether there was in fact an altercation, there was in fact they did all the necessary things for the rules of rules of engagement, di ba?
We engaged the SOCO and the crime lab on the ballistics.
That's correct.
No.
I'm sure you're doing that.
Yes, sir.
So, konting bilis lang, boss. Boss. Tagal na, 3 weeks na yan. Hindi 2 weeks 3 weeks na.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Any more questions with the witness here? Senator Cayetano?
Just a point of clarification and information, Mr. Chair. The statistics we've been giving comes from the PNP and the Philippine Statistics Authority. And the murder homicide is really always separate from natural death and from those who are killed in police operations. So apples to Mr. Chair, just for the record.
Point well taken. Talagang iba yung sinasabi na kinaside doon sa statistics. Okay, any more questions with this witness? If there are no more cases, then the witness is excused.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and Your Honors.
Thank you very much for your appearance here today, Colonel Abude. Can we present the next witness, please, right away? Comsec? Who's the next witness? Sergeant Castañas. Is he here? No, Las Cañas, I'm sorry. Sorry, they're always... Malapit na ang Pasko. Oh, this is Sergeant Castañas. Las Cañas. Would you please identify yourself, sir? What is your name?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I'm SPO3 Arturo Barikit Las Cañas, 55-year-old.
55?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Tobong Davao. Born December 16, 1960. I've been in the service for almost 35 years.
Yes.
For the past...
All right. Let me put you on the road first. Please stand up. Comsec.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry?
You're accompanied by your lawyer. Please identify yourself. Are you the lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your name is?
I'm Attorney Militon Limos of Tagum City, Your Honor, appearing as counsel for Espino Trilas
Attorney
Cañas.
Milton, you're under instructions to advise the witness before he answers, if you like.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's all you can do. You cannot directly address the Senate unless we ask you to do so.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Proceed. Any questions on Sergeant Las Cañas? Hindi ka SPO4, SPO3.
Yes, sir.
Ha? Oo nga, oo. Questions? Do you have an opening statement? Meron ka bang preliminary statement? Meron ka bang sasabihin sa sa'yo dito?
No more, Mr. Chairman.
No more. Dati ba meron? Ay mo kagad no more eh. Meron ba dati o iniba mo na? You change your mind? None, Your Honor. Wala na, kamo. Wala.
None, Your Honor.
Wala. Why? Okay, sige. Senator De Lima is recognized. You're 55 years old?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you older than General De La Rosa?
Yes, Your Honor.
See, don't sit beside him because you'll become a stereophonic. By 1 month? Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I actually have a lot of questions for this resource
You have the floor.
person. Maraming salamat po. Magre-retire na po kayo,
Yes, Your Honor.
December 16.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang nagsabi po sa akin yan ay si Edgar Matobato. Alam na alam daw niya po yung birthday niyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Senator, can you bring the microphone closer to you so we can hear you? Thank you. Go ahead.
Tandang-tanda daw niya po ang birthday niyo, December 16. Dahil palagi daw po siyang present. Pag nagsa-celebrate kayo ng birthday niyo, taon-taon, every December 16. Aaminin niyo po ba yon?
Sometimes, Your Honor. Hindi naman palagi.
So kilala mo po si Edgar Matobato.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit niyo po siya kilala?
If my memory is correct, 1996, Your Honor, lumapit yan si Mr. Edgar Matobato sa akin. Nag-alok yan ng property. Then sabi niya sa akin, meron siyang kaibigan sa Samal Island na merong property na ibibinta, malaki yung beach line. Then sinabi ko kay Edgar, pwede puntahan natin, titingnan. Kasi nagsisidline ako ng as a real estate broker. Natingnan namin, and then dinala ko sa isa kong kakilalang Chinese businessman. In a span of almost 3 months, nabinta ko po. Yung nandito po si Mr. Edgar Matobato, sinabi niya na naka-receive siya o kumita siya ng 300,000 dahil nagbinta siya ng lupa. Galing po yon sa akin, Your Honor. And then, nasundan pa yan ng maraming deals. Siguro sa mga 10 property na inalok niya sa akin for the past almost 3 years, siguro mga 5 o 6 ang nabinta namin.
So yun po ang pagkakakilala nyo kay Mr. Edgar Matobato dahil sa mga business deals na yon sa pagbebenta ng mga properties.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero pagkaalam ko din sa kanya, personally, kasi lumalakad yan, nakakumupladge, full pack, may daladalang imported rifle. So to my understanding, he was a member of the auxiliary group of the Scout Rangers based in Malagos, Kalinan. Yun po ang pagkaalam ko.
So kino-confirm nyo rin po kasi yun din po ang sabi niya sa amin. When I say sa amin po, hindi ko lang po tinutukoy yung pag-testify niya po dito sa 2 hearings last September 15 and September 22, kundi yung pag-i-interview ko rin po sa kanya. Kaya marami po akong mga detalye sa kwento niya. So, kino-confirm nyo nakasama siya, naging kasama siya ng Scout Rangers. Kasi ganun din po ang pagkakasabi sa amin. Nag-umpisa doon sa CHDF noong 1977. Tapos umalis siya ng airborne sa Kalinan, Malagos, Davao City. Lumipat sila and then napunta sila sa Scout Ranger Unit sa Philippine Army, sa ilalim ni Colonel Lorenzana, nagsanay sa Scout Ranger Class of 1982 sa ilalim ni Captain Gutierrez. Mula 1982 hanggang 1988, nanatili daw po siya sa Scout Rangers bilang miyembro ng CAFGO hanggang kinuha siya mismo ni Mayor Duterte noong 1988. Alam niyo po ba yung mga detalye na yon o yung pagkakaalam niyo lang, sinabi niyo ay yung nasa Scout Ranger siya?
Yung detalye na yan, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Yung mga detalye.
Yeah.
Okay. Siyempre po, katulad siguro ng iba na mga pinatawag namin ngayon, hindi nyo aaminin na merong Davao Death Squad.
Wala pong Davao Death Squad, Your Honor. Media hype lang yan.
Hindi rin nyo po aaminin na merong Lambada Boys. Yun daw po kasi, yung pinaka-original na grupo, na 7 lang daw po sila. Kasama si Edgar Matubato, Lambada Boys. Narinig nyo ho ba?
Your
Ang
Honor,
Lambada Boys. Narinig nyo syempre DDS, pero sabi nyo media hype. How about Lambada Boys? Have you ever heard?
never, Your Honor.
Never.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, since you have not heard of Lambada Boys, sasabihin nyo rin siguro na you have not heard of the other alleged members of the alleged Lambada Boys according to Mr. Matubato. Ludi Pagidupon, kilala o hindi? Narinig na o hindi?
Nakikita at narinig ko yan, Your Honor.
Tony Estaco, kilala nyo, narinig nyo na, etc.
The name is very familiar sa akin, Your Honor.
So narinig nyo si Ludi Padigupon, narinig
Yes,
nyo
yes.
na rin si Tony Estaco, Jojo Bosa,
Wala, Your Honor.
di mo po kilala.
Hindi po.
Romel Capitana,
Hindi po.
hindi. Inchik Tan,
Hindi po.
Boboy Maldito,
Familiar sa akin.
pamilya. Ano ho ba yung bangkerohan? Lugar ho ba yan? Grupo? Or what? Have you heard of bangkerohan?
Is pangalan po yun, Your Honor, ng public market.
Public market. Sabi po ni Mr. Matubato, itong si Tony Estaco, si Jojo Bosa, si Romel Capitana, si Inchik Tan at si Boboy Maldito, mga taga-bangkerohan. Etong si Ludi Pagidupon, sabi nyo, narinig nyo na kung sino si Ludi Pagidupon. Sa pagkakaalam nyo, sino po ba si Ludi Pagidupon?
Nakita ko yan, Your Honor, kasi yan si Lodi Pagilupon is, he was yata a cousin of SPO4 Teodoro Pagilupon, pero nag-retire na yan last year. Nag-retire siya as senior inspector, if I'm not mistaken.
Kilala nyo ho ba siya personal? Nakita nyo na ho ba siya?
Kung kilala personal, hindi. Kung nakita, yes.
Nakita nyo na.
Yes.
Sabi po ni Edgar Matubato, formerly Army Scout Ranger din daw po si Ludi Pagidupon, pero detailed po siya sa Ecoland Terminal. Alam nyo yung Ecoland Terminal?
Pagkalam, yes, Your Honor. Pagkalam ko po kay Lodi Pagilupon, he was a member of the RRA, the Rebel Returnees Association.
So, rebel returnee po siya. Former rebel returnee. Sabi po ni Mr. Matubato, yung mga ilang miyembro ng DDS ay yung mga sinasabing mga rebel returnees. Nung nag-expand daw po yung sinasabi ni Mr. Matubato na una, Lambada Boys, naging DDS, ay meron na rin daw sila ng mga kasamahan ng mga rebel returnees. So sinasabi nyo pala ngayon, si Ludi Pagidupon was also a former rebel returnee. Correct?
Yun po, Your Honor, ang pagkaalam ko.
At sabi pa ni Mr. Matobato, si Ludi Pagidupon daw ang nag-recruit sa kanya para sumama kay Mayor Duterte. Pero si Mayor Duterte ang parang nag-utos kay Pagidupon na kunin siya. Hindi niyo po alam yon.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Gaano po kayo ka-close kay Mr. Matobato?
Yung closeness po namin, Your Honor, is yung nirecommend ko yan way back 1998. That was the first creation of the island garden city of Samal. Kasi po, si dating pare na nakilala ko through a common friend.
Si former mayor.
Yes po,
Correct.
si Mayor Roger Antalan.
Mayor Roger Antalan. Sinabi rin po ni Mr. Matobato, former mayor, pare siya. Siya daw ho nagkasal
Ako
kay
na-
Mayor Duterte?
Hindi ko po alam.
Okay. So ano po, again, how close were you?
Ako po ang nag-recommend kay
With,
Mr.
Edgar
Matabato doon kay Father Roger Antalan.
Para
And
maging
then-
ano po?
Parang escort niya kasi nanghingi siya ng kung sino pwede makasama niya. So nirecommend ko si Edgar Matabato. Since Edgar Matabato is taga doon din sa Samal. Pagkakilala ko po sa kanya, Your Honor, is mabuting tao.
Si Matobato.
Yes. So, nirecommend ko yan kay Mayor Roger Antalan. Nung na-elect siya, pagkaalam ko, na-employ